Hello, today we'll be learning how to create an email header for free with Canva. So I'm at my Canva home screen. In the search bar, I'll have to type email header. First, we will be seeing the designs. I'll show you two types of design. One, I will take one free template and modify. And another, I will take a blank template and I will create from the scratch. Let's first begin with changing or modifying our already free template, which is available on a free Canva account. We'll be creating these two designs. First, I have taken this. The first thing is I will have to take this picture, detach the image and delete. That's the first thing. Second, I will have to change this color to my theme color, to my brand color, which is somewhere near about, not exactly this one rather. This is my brand color. So I will choose this, I will modify it from here a little bit. And here I will have to go to upload. Now once you come to upload, if you're having a logo, if you're having a business account, then it is better to give a logo. And if it is for your personal account, then it is better to use your own picture or image. Like I'm going to make it for my company account, so I'll be using my logo, which is this one. Okay, so I'll simply drag and drop it here. If you're not having logo uploaded here, you can simply come to this upload file and it will let you take the access of all other hard disk of your computer, so you can take from there as well. So I'll just double click on the image and I can shift it in right and left and up and down to make it fit for the frame. Once I'm satisfied with it, now it is simple. I'll simply change this text to my company name. Now there is one thing which I do not like, which is the letter spacing. Increase the letter spacing. For that, I'll have to select the text box. I'll have to come to the spacing option, and from letter spacing, I can just change it a little bit, and enlarge it a little bit, elongate it a little bit. You can see the angle. So I want 90-degree angle. So I'll check that. Now I will select all these together and drag it down here, like so, and then you can change these numbers and address as per your need. And you're done with your first email header. If you want to change any of these designs, you're free to change it. I'm not doing it because I'm okay with this design. If you want to change or delete or incorporate some other pattern, then you can come here, you can go to elements, and here it will under the graphic segment. If you want, you can see different type of graphics. You can go to see all and you can get these dotted graphics and everything out here. Now what I'll do is I'll take a blank template. I will change the color a little bit darker shade I'll take for this. This one is okay, right? Now what I'm going to make is I'm going to make this one, but I'm going to make for my personal account. I'm going to make this and I'm going to add these icons, and there I will show you how to add a link of your real Facebook, YouTube account, and so on and so forth. So let's begin. First thing is I'll have to go to element and I'll have to search for frame. I'll take 2 round frames, okay? One is like this, another one little smaller than this, right? So after you get 2 frames like so, you need to go and search for gradient background, and you can take any gradient background whatever suits you. For me, I'm taking this yellow background and just drag it and it will get kind of sacked here, right? So once it is done, then I'm going to come to this frame and I am going to come to upload section and I will take one of the pictures here. So I'm taking this picture, right? And kind of it will get sucked inside as soon as I take it, and I will just drag it downwards by double clicking on it. And now I am done with my photo. Once it is done, then I will simply go to text box and I will take a normal regular text box out here. I'll just position it here and I will change it to my name. So once you change the text box, you can select a particular font which you feel like. You can also change the size of the text from here, and then I will simply come to this line spacing and I will shrink it a little bit, and I will change this color to simple white color, right? Now next is adding this graphic designer option. So I will simply come to elements again, and here I will take a rectangle. I'll take this rectangle, I'll simply position it. I will take another text, so I'll come to text box and I'll take the second text option and I'll position it here. I will simply go to this line spacing first. I will I will reduce the line spacing a little bit and the letter spacing a little bit and line spacing too. Okay, and now I will make it short and just elongate it a little bit so that it comes under one line, and accordingly I will set it here. Just crop it a little bit and then accordingly just elongate this. As simple as that. I'll make it bold so it will exceed this. I will just situate it at the middle, check the grid, and then you make it bold. And I need to take the same font. So I'll just come here, I'll go to these three dots, I will take this copy style option and simply I will make it here, but it will also take the size as well. So I will make this size to 10, 13, okay, and I will come and change the color and I'm done. Next is taking this address and icons. From where do I get that? I will come to elements once again and one by one I'll take the logo now. I will first take the phone icon. I will take this phone icon and I will make it small. So I'll take this one. Try to keep the size same. Like this, you'll have to check and just position it in the downward. Text box I have already shown you, so I'm not showing it twice, so I'm just copying it. So I've got this pattern, so I will take dots from here and I'll go to graphics. So I'll get many different types of dot pattern. So you can choose from here whatever you want. Now I will enlarge it. Okay, I'll position it here. I will change the color from here to a darker green or a lighter green. Okay, now I will go to transparent and I will make it as transparent as possible, as much I want. And then next is going to position and to back. Okay, so it will go extremely at the back layer, right? So once you are satisfied with this, you can even make it smaller if you want, but for me this is alright. So I'll just make it, position it here and just duplicate it and position it somewhere here again. I'll take this icon because this is the matching icon to the icons which I'm taking using. So make this little bigger than these icons in order to make it differentiated. So I will give LinkedIn also. As soon as you choose one icon, you will get other similar patterned icon in the magic recommendation. So you can go to see all and you can simply take the other Instagram and other your social handles icons like so. Okay, so you just put them together here. So once these are done, then I will just select them and position, go to position and tidy up. Now once it is done, select each one of it and go to the respective page. Like for Facebook, so what I'll do is I will simply copy this URL. I'll come back to my page. I will right click and I'll go to link. Either you can come here and go to link, otherwise you can come here also for the link option. You see there is a link option, so you can both will open the same page, and then you just paste the URL and likewise you do for all four, and then simply drag them and position them in the middle, and then you are almost done with this. Same thing you can add here as well if you want to, but as because this is for my corporate account, I am not going to give my personal details, personal pages, icons there. Signature also we can create, so let me know in the comment box if you want to know how to create free signature templates here in Canva. I will create another video as well on that, and do let me know what is your profile if possible, so that I can use one of your profiles example while demonstrating the signature. So do let me know in the comment section below. So that's the reason I am taking this for my personal header, right? So here I finished the designing part, and now this is time to export it. So I'll go to share option. I'll go to download. One thing is, keep it very simple, because understand this is for your professional use. This is for your Gmail account. Therefore, don't make it very jazzy or very colorful. Make it very simple and elegant, right? So once it is done, you go to this share button, go to download. You usually it will remain in PNG format only. Next, I will select both, because I'm going to download both. But if you want, you can uncheck and you can select either of it. Okay, so I'm keeping both, and I will simply download it. I've got my headers ready. Now I will head over to my Gmail account, and from my Gmail account I will go to settings option. Okay, so this will open. Now this header option comes in advanced option. Here you will see the templates option here. Okay, usually this remains disabled. I have enabled it. You'll have to enable this, and then you'll have to save the change. First customize, and then you will have to come to your respective folder and simply drag and drop it here. Let it come. It will take a while to open. Once it is opened, then you come to these three dots, template, and save draft as template, so that an email as an email header. So as soon as it comes, and then save. As soon as you save it, every time you will compose an email, it will automatically be taken. So make sure you use this, and do let me know in the comment section how it turned out to be. Please make sure you press the subscription button below and press the bell notification, and definitely don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. We have come up with a wonderful app which is available for Android users in Google Play Store. So make sure you download it. Grab the early bird offer which is going on at this moment. Join my Facebook, Canva group and WhatsApp group for interacting with me. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe, stay legendary.